Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to see which cells are protected and locked in Google Sheets. So I've already created this spreadsheet here, and I know there are locked cells. Right now I can't tell which cells are locked and which cells are unlocked. They all look the same to me. But if I go and I delete this right here, this cell right here, it does delete. And if I try and delete this cell, it won't because it's locked and protected. But how would I know that without attempting to do that first? So I'm going to show you how to see all the cells that are locked and protected without having to manually test them all out. So to see which cells are locked and protected, go up to View, then Show, and then scroll over to Protected Ranges and make sure there's a check next to it. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And now I can see all these cells here are protected. I cannot make any changes to them. However, I know the rest of the sheet is not protected and I can make changes to these cells. And that is how you see which cells are protected in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.